Oh, hello people, Simon is speaking. Today I wanted to talk about one thing which could be necessary for you if you want to fix a vertex or to disconnect unnecessary points, polygons. There's option which will allow you to do that. For example, if you want to disconnect this mesh in the middle so you can separate edges. There's something in vertex is called like rip vertices. What this tool does, this will allow you to disconnect vertex. It will no longer be connected and it will create separate gap. By using command rip, you can disconnect. But we also have completely different commands. So I will skip to context menu instead. Wait, Gracie, no! Gracie, come here, no. My dogs started to bite one of the wooden edges and I was afraid. Okay, I will get back to you now. Rip vertices, this command. And I disconnected that polygon. You can see, oh no, I didn't move polygon properly. Oh, this is my fault. I should use the slide command. You can still connect those polygons by using command bridge edge loop using merge. You can merge this back, but I showed you that technique, so in the future you will be able to fix your polygon mesh. If you don't like, if you have to change topology or if you want to disconnect polygon. I was thinking to check if command rip will be working with edges. Actually, this is not limited to points only. You can use this command with edges as well, people. I hope you like my video tutorial. This is my model from 2020. Maybe in near future I will show you how to use hair in the future, particular hair. I wasn't talking about that. See you guys, have a nice evening.